To customize lock screen clock in POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down to personalization, and if we enter it, we need to select the lock screen on the left. Then go to customize options and click on your clock right here. That way you'll be able to change different font for your clock. You can also switch how the hours or minutes will appear, so you can have hours and minutes, or only hours or only minutes. There's also option for the widget next to your clock, so you can have the option with date, and then it shows you the day and any other options that you can find right here. And another widget is also right there. You can choose the same thing. So that is the clock customized, but there's one more thing that you can do here. Select font effects, and this will allow you to change the color for your clock as well, the primary color as well as the secondary color for the widgets. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.